Hi, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another daily dose of Jay's tutorials. So we got our mail day today. I'm pretty sure it's our Apple Card. I got a notification on my phone about it. Uh, I did not expect it to actually come in a 2-day air mail because I was actually expecting snail mail, but it's one of those things that Apple does to make the experience a whole lot better. It's kind of like when you open up a MacBook Air. When you open it up, it's different compared to other laptops. So it's one of those things. So packaging is actually pretty solid here. I don't have that many cards, so I figured this might be a good backup card. So let's see. Okay, nothing else. I was kind of looking for a instruction manual, something to call to activate the card, but yeah, it's one of those things Apple does. Simple. There's probably an easy way to do it to activate the card or something. No instructions, I guess. Let's open it up. So we do have our card. Kind of reminds me of a SIM card for some reason. And then I guess to activate your card, you just gotta use your phone. We'll do that later. So solid packaging. Um, let's pull this thing out. Okay, let's see. And we'll activate that thing later. Pretty solid, no numbers or nothing. Goldman Sachs, MasterCard. I have not had a MasterCard in like forever. And one surprising thing is I was actually shocked that the credit limit that they gave me, it's like double, almost like it's past double what I usually get. So let's actually weigh this thing. How heavy is this thing in grams? So it looks like we have a 14 grams. Okay, cool. So it is solid. I think it's supposed to be titanium or something. I gotta double check that. So wow, that was a quick credit card experience. Actually, it's pretty convenient compared to like you have to dial the number. Pretty sweet. I just took a photo of it, I guess, next to the Apple logo on my laptop. Nothing fancy. Oh, activation was actually pretty easy as well. So I just took a photo, just had my phone, boom, activate, good to go. Actually, really good experience. So that's something I was totally expecting, but hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Take it easy.